Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use your phone as a PC speaker. We'll use an Android phone for this. Search for audio replay, click the first site, hit download for Windows. Open the downloaded file, click yes, click OK to install. Alright, now install it on your Android phone too. Go to Google Play and install it. Open it here. Now open it on your computer. It's already downloaded. Here's where your phone will appear. Go here, type and click join. Choose an audio driver and play a file. It starts playing on your phone. There, remember to select the right audio. That's it. Now everything plays through your phone. Here's a cat.